पासपोर्ट ऑफिस तांचे 7 म्हयने जाले पासपोर्ट ऑफिसर ना. कसल्योच केस इमर्जन्सी केस आसता, कोणागे घोव कितें जाता जावं बोटीचें कितें जाता, भायर कितें जाता, भायर एक वचपाक जावं कसलो जो तर एमर्जन्सी आहा. In an emergency, sometimes you have to relax some rules. The powers are vested on the officer. Officer na. Then you have to get a compliance from the Bombay office. What is going on? आमी गोंय सेपरेट केलेलें, आमी गोंय मर्ज करपाक डिसिजन घेवना. तत्काल केसीस आहाय. Tactical cases you require permission from the passport officer because they are on the spot passports, or rather they have to give passport fast. Now there are so many situations, ideal situations when the passport officer is required. 7 months passport officer now. It shows negligence on part of the central administration as well as state. State in kai kelna. State in kai letter brilne baba kide kurpak kai na kai information na. I checked up the office. Office is saying we are in the process of obtaining a new officer. Process of obtaining a new officer is 7 months. Going to equi officer now, there are so many deputy collectors, collectors levels. So many officers can be deputed. Why it is not been done? What is the reason? Is it some systematic way where some people can go through OA passports? Is it some sort of a plan? There has to be investigation why this is not done.